Today's Wednesday. All right, so this was from Monday. Didn't go anywhere yesterday. I like them for their tins. They said they were $2.88. I grabbed two, went out to the car, looked at the receipt. They were only $1.48. So I was like, okay, even better. $1.48. Had to do it. Mandalorian and C-3PO. Believe it or not, C-3PO is like the hardest one to find. I can never find him. I think I found him twice. So, and this is crazy. I went out to New York again. They have so much better stuff in New York. It's not even funny. Battle Styles. Strixhaven. ETB. The blue kind. They haven't sold these in Pennsylvania, like around my area. Probably over 2 months. They were the last two, so I grabbed them. I shouldn't have, but they had 2 American packs with no French ones, so. I went to the one place up in New York and they said, take anything you want. You can buy anything you want. So I was like, really? Okay. So I did a Strixhaven School of Mages. I probably have like 40 of these things. But, did a series 2. Nope, I was going to say, it's Canadian. And I got an American. No, I was going to say it had to be Canadian because it was smaller. Yeah. Oh, there it is down there. Okay. I was looking for it up at the top, but there's the French writing down on the bottom. Can never understand what the heck it says. Exclusivi obtenenez uni perte surdimensioneno di recruits jeunes lupes par boite. I have no idea what that means. French. Heritage and opening day. Oh, and also, I guess this is a hanger pack. Oh, okay. Almost done with this stuff. I went to buy this like a month ago. I can't remember what happened, but I wasn't able to get it, or they didn't have milk, and I was there to buy milk, or my credit card wasn't working. I don't remember. And I used to get the Street and Smiths, but they had the Lindy's and they had Athlon. I went to get the Athlon, and it was like an extra $2 for it. So I was like, Athlon or Lindy's? $12.99 or $10.99. So I chose the cheaper one. Whoa. Did that so it wouldn't fall, and it still fell. For you know who. A Mickey Mouse. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what the heck? It says 01. So I don't know. I might have stumbled on to some really cool stuff, actually. Hamburglar. They had these. It's bad enough they had Richard Simmons dolls, but then they had Richard Simmons dancing dolls, and then they had these gigantic big things of Richard Simmons. I'm like, what the hell? No one liked him when we were kids. What is that? Yeah, Tennis McNugget. I never heard of it, so I bought it. Yeah, Tennis McNugget. Oh, it's weird. It's called Biddy Boomers. Some kind of Bluetooth thing. Ultra portable speaker. It's a Baby Yoda speaker from The Mandalorian. I never heard of it. I passed it up but the day before, but I saw it again. I'm like, you know what? I gotta get it. Mrs. Potato. I saw these. I had to get it too. It was Deadpool laying sideways. It's called Deadpool with a heart on the back, and then it says, our Funko Pride Pop collection is a celebration of inclusivity. Inclusivity and acceptance. Funko fully supports the LGBTQ plus XYZ9738V2 community and rejects Intolerance. Yeah, okay. You're the most intolerant people I ever met. I'm not talking about the regular LGBTQs. I'm talking about the scums that walk around with Antifa. They're the most intolerant people in the world, and they really need a reality check. And rejects intolerance and discrimination. At Funko, fun is for everyone. A donation has been made to the It Gets Better Project, an organization that uplifts, empowers, and connects LGBTQ plus XV79-4BJT youth around the globe in coordination with this program, It Gets Better Project. Okay. It Gets Better Project? That sounds okay. But the sad thing is most of these people that talk about intolerance and and acceptance, not always, but usually they're the ones. They're the ones that are the most intolerable people. And they act up and they go burn, cities down and stuff. Lilo and Stitch. I had to. I just had to. I always buy Stitch for a certain person. Lilo, Stitch with ukulele, Stitch just regular, Stitch Jumbo, and Lilo with looks like it says Pudge. First I thought it was that little poop thing. 1043. So 1043. Okay, so I got the LGBTQ one. It's that one. Not a problem. Like I said, I just get a kick out of the people that talk like intolerance and hatred and all that stuff. But they're the ones that are usually the ones acting up and doing the goofy stuff. This is the guy that made the trip possible. The Black Panther. Alright. Rock Out Ronald. Had to get it. Because I was thinking, oh, you'll never see Ronald McDonald. Because he's like the most popular one. The last time I was there. And when I came back to get the Black Panther to film my Avengers set, I was like, oh my God, Ronald McDonald's there, I gotta get it. Yeah, this guy I never heard of. The Umbrella Academy, Baby Pogo. Deadpool? No, it's crazy too, because I remember being in college, and I remember I saw the gay pride flag somewhere, and it's like, oh, that's pretty cool. It was a flag with a rainbow on it, and I didn't know what the hell it was. And I said to the one black kid that lived downstairs, I said, oh, that's pretty cool. And he goes, really? He goes, that's a gay flag. And I'm like, well, so what? It's still cool looking. And he's like, you're nuts. But I don't care. I thought it was cool looking. So I thought those were cool looking too. All right.